Is Opera GX crashing, freezing, or just closing for no reason? In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you the fastest fixes to get it stable again. First, fully close Opera GX and restart your PC. This clears temporary glitches that can cause random crashes. If it still crashes, relaunch Opera GX and disable any suspicious or recently installed extensions. Click the Opera logo, go to Settings, then Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cached Images and Files, and hit Clear. Now, make sure Opera GX is updated. In Settings, go to About Opera GX and let it automatically check for updates. If a new update installs, restart the browser and see if the crashing is gone before changing anything else. If it's still unstable, open Settings and search for Reset. Choose to restore settings to their original defaults. This keeps your data but turns off custom tweaks that might be causing crashes. Next, type GX in the sidebar, open GX Control, and turn off or raise the limits on RAM and CPU controls if they're set too low. If crashes happen on specific sites, try disabling the built-in ad blocker or VPN just for testing. Still no luck? Create a brand new Opera GX profile or reinstall the browser, then log back into your account to sync your data. Once you're crash-free, hit subscribe for more quick browser fixes, and drop a comment with what finally worked for you.